Before this video starts, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to be notified about all the future videos.
40 km per liter out of 390 is too much. Sufficient for me. Will not cut my pocket that much. It is showing me that with 2.4 liters of petrol I can go up to 100 kilometers. See, the mileage is constant on 41 kilometers per liter. पाणी पाणी पाजायचे मग येते कसला हां मी तर बोलतो कमोड असायला पाहिजे सगळीकडे. मजबुरीमध्ये काय करायला लागतं, मजबुरीमध्ये काही करायला मी तर रस्त्यातच जातो हां असं कानाकोपच्या पकडायचा घुसून जायचं आतमध्ये.
काय ऑप्शन नाही ना.
How to get mileage on your KTM 390 series bikes? Applies to all 390 series bikes. Keep your bike on a toppest gear, or else just keep your bike on a gear constantly. Like if you are on 4th gear, keep it on 4th. If you are on 5th, keep it on 5th constantly. If you are riding on 6th gear like me, keep it on 6th and just ride your bike on the highway between 65 to 75 kilometers per hour. What you will get doing that? You will get average above 35. Try it once. I have done it many times. Not kidding. You can see it over here. I'm currently getting 39. Not going above 75 and not dropping below 65, and the gear is constant on 6. If you go on a higher speed and higher RPM, the engine will start consuming more fuel and you won't get any mileage out of your bike. So if you are on roads like this, you know what to do now. You can easily get average inside city as well. If you are in a crowded city or a crowded traffic, just keep your bike between 2nd to 3rd gear. Don't go over 3rd gear if you are stuck in heavy traffic. 2nd, 3rd. First is not much recommended by me. Just keep your bike 2nd, 3rd and 40. See, 40 km per liter. Average is going up. If I keep this pace constant, the average is going up. So talking about the city mileage, just keep your bike on 2nd or 3rd gear. Then don't accelerate or don't take your RPM above 4000 on those gears. Keep them below 4000 and above 2500. Between 2500 to 4000, don't go over that, or else your bike will consume more fuel inside city. And if you are stuck in traffic and your bike's radiator is on, it is making noise, don't get scared, or don't turn off your bike, because the radiator is trying to cool down the engine. That's what it is for. That's what radiator is meant for. If you turn off your bike, the radiator will turn off and your engine will stay hot only. So to keep your engine calm, let the bike running on neutral. It won't consume that much of petrol if you keep your bike running on neutral. but it will cool down your engine for sure. What will happen now? I'll tell you an example which I have faced. If you are stuck in traffic and your engine is heated up, the radiator will start automatically. Then if you turn off your bike, the radiator will shut down. Then you continue riding after a few kilometers and again you get stuck in traffic. The engine is hot and you again turn off the bike. Then when you start your bike again and go further for a few kilometers and ride inside city traffic at 10-15 kilometers per hour speed or less, then the engine will start heating up again and you have not kept the radiator on. That's why the engine will stop working and the speedometer will give you indication as high coolant temperature, because the coolant which the bike has is not cooling down the engine, because you are turning off bike each and every time you are taking a halt at a traffic signal or a traffic situation where the cars and bikes are stuck in a place. So that's a tip from my side. See, 41 kilometers per liter. It is going up, and that's not fake. If you calculate the average, it is about 35 only. Very useful tip. 40 kilometer per liter out of 390 is too much. Sufficient for me. Will not cut my pocket that much. It is showing me that with 2.4 liters of petrol I can go up to 100 kilometers. See, the mileage is constant on 41 kilometers per liter. This tip will work for Duke 390, old, new model, doesn't matter. RC 390, old, new, doesn't matter. Works for Duke 200 as well. You can implement this on other bikes as well. Try करो, एवरेज अच्छा मिलेगा. एक कांस्टेंट गियर और कांस्टेंट स्पीड 60 to 75, 60 to 80, एक कांस्टेंट स्पीड पकड़ के बाइक चलाओ, बाइक एवरेज देगी ही देगी.